2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, fog lights, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, chrome rear bumper, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.